back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shalia, also known as the Visionpreneur. Whether you're a seasoned subscriber or joining me for the first time, I'm thrilled to have you here. As your passive income specialist and business strategist, I am all about empowering you to create and maintain multiple streams of income because let's face it, financial freedom is the goal. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a digital vision board using Canva. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to Canva and you are going to select the dimensions for your vision board. A common size is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. So we're going to create that specific, dimensions. We're going to go to custom and then we're going to change it to pixels. And then we're going to type in the measurements for our vision board. But then you're going to click create design and it's going to take you to your own little vision board. So then you can start to design your vision board. So what I like to do is I like to have a bunch of this blank pages or blank frames for your pictures to go on, and you can arrange them however you want to. I like mine neat, but you can do them however you want to do them. So this is a little bit small, so we are going to take all of these and then we're going to make them to the size of our vision board. Okay, and then we can make sure that everything fits perfectly. So it's not going to, okay, so this is perfect. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find inspiring pictures. You can find things online on Google, and just make sure that you are choosing things that are in alignment with the goals that you have for your life. So I'm just going to go in. I had created a vision board for 2023. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to just look at what I put for 2023. This looks like my vision board for 2023. And I have become more active on YouTube. I have grown my audience. So just kind of look over the things that you set goals for and determine whether or not you want to add them to your new vision board. So this is a lot of pictures. I don't think I'm going to add everything, but I do want to add some of the things like this YouTube plaque because I do want to get that. Also, I want to start eating a little more healthy. And up here is the brands that I wanted to work with. Some of them I didn't get to work with, some of them I did. So I'll choose accordingly. So let's go back to our 2024 vision board. So my 2024 vision board, I'm going to add a couple of things to the and I'm just gonna write 2024 and make it a font that I like. So let's make this bigger and just put it for 2024. Let's zoom back out. We can also do the same on the other side. And then we can add whatever decorations we want to the sides if we want. So I'm just gonna add these cute little stars here. And then we can get started with adding the pictures. So what I would do is I would categorize everything into sections so that I can easily organize my vision board. So looks like this one's already in there, so I'm going to delete that. So once you're done placing all the pictures, it is up to you if you want to take it a step further and to categorize the different sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text box and I'm going to write the different sections, and then I'm going to add an effect, which is the background effect, and I'm going to change it to black and then change the font in here to white just to give it more of a chic look. So I'm just going to change that to white, and then I'm also going to change the font to something a little more. I don't really like that, so I'm going to change it again. And that's a little bit better. So the effect that I have on it, I don't like the roundness, so I'm just going to make it less round. And then I'm going to change the size of this, and I'm going to put it on my vision board. So that is for my career. Then we're gonna take this after we have duplicated it, and then down here we're gonna put fitness / health. And then we can do the same for all of the different sections. We can do personal over here. Duplicate it again, and then up here I'm going to put travel. And this is our vision board. So keep in mind that you can change it or do it however you want to do it, but this is the way that I decided to do it this time. So this is my 2024 vision board, and as you can see, it differs greatly from my 2023 vision board. So this is the 2023, and then this is the 2024. I kind of did a little bit less so that it can be more focused, more specialized. You can do it however you want, and you can add whatever pictures you want, whatever layout you want, and just make it your own. I hope this helped. And if you want to save it to your desktop and put it as your screensaver for your laptop or whatever, you would just click the share button up here, and then scroll down, click download, and then choose your file output. So you would either choose JPEG or PNG, which is for more complex images and illustrations. And then you just click download and it goes straight to your computer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.